In this video, I'll show you how to cancel YouTube TV subscription on Roku. Step 1. Cancel via Roku device. On your Roku remote, press the home button to go to the main screen. Highlight the YouTube TV channel using the arrow buttons. Press the star button for channel options. Select Manage Subscription, then Cancel Subscription and confirm by following any on-screen prompts. Step 2. Cancel via the Roku website. Open a browser and visit my.roku.com. Log in with your Roku credentials. Go to Manage your subscriptions under Account Settings. Find YouTube TV in the list and click Unsubscribe or Cancel Subscription. Confirm the cancellation when prompted. Step 3. Verify cancellation. You will retain access to YouTube TV until the end of your current paid period. Check your account for confirmation and note any emails you receive. I have some tips for you. Canceling removes future billing. Deleting the app will not cancel your subscription. Use the Roku website if you have trouble with your device for remote management. And if you're billed by Google or YouTube directly, you must cancel via Google or YouTube and not via Roku. And that's how you cancel your YouTube TV subscription via Roku. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.